Let's continue. The sixth function of the entrepreneur is supervision, control, and direction. He should assemble all the means, those are known as the factors of production. So he should collect, he should assemble all the means of production, minimum cost to maximum cost. So due to the combining of these production and innovative methods, he should maximize the profits and minimize the cost. And maximum cost and minimum cost decisions were controlled, supervised, and directed by the entrepreneur. So the work of supervision is under the control of the entrepreneur. He not only supervision the works, the total work, or he should controls the flow of goods and services and use of finance. How much should be reduced? How much? What is the procedure to reduce wastage? And how to increase the productivity, producting methods, output, like that all the controlling measures were taken by the entrepreneur. And the use of finance and machinery and controls the employees activities, and he gives directions to get objectives of the organization. So the supervision, control, and directions are the functions of the entrepreneur. Next, planning. He proposed many projects in a formal systematic approach. Planning function is under the function of the entrepreneur. He use his rights, and these planning activities were divided into many functions. The first function is known as the exchange functions. Perceiving, that means identifying or looking opportunities in the market. Obtaining scarce resources. The resources means with the utilization of a particular man or resource, he is having the capacity of production. So that capacity of producing object or living being is known as source or resource. With the resources are scarce. Scarce means rare. They are very limited. We are having very limited resources. And not only that, with the limited resources we are having alternative uses. That's why the exchange functions, and he identify the opportunities in the market and obtain scarce resources, buying the inputs, that means raw material, marketing of products. After the finished goods, he should invest for the advertisement and marketing products, and reacting to the competition. How many competitors are there in the market? And when we send the goods to the market, and what are the competitions, how to fix the price and pricing system, and whether there is a single demand or market study is the strategy of the entrepreneur, and he should plan according to. Next function which comes under planning is known as administration functions, or as an administrator he should take some responsibilities. Those are dealing with public bureaucracy. There are many officials for marketing the goods. We should take permissions, licenses, and we should meet the officials. So that is called as bureaucracy. As an administrator, he should deal with public and the officials and the employee management, and he should maintain good relations. What are the employees, and what are the duties, and what are the responsibilities of the employees? These are all comes under the category of administrative function of the entrepreneur. Supplier management. Supply means supplying the goods or services, and it should reach to the consumer finally. That's why supplying management And customer, what are the problems of customer attitude, customer research should be made by the entrepreneur. So all the activities comes under the administrative functions of the entrepreneur. The customer management, customer services centers were be started by the entrepreneur, and these comes under the administrative functions. Management and control functions. Financial management, according to the finance, he should manage and control the finance. The entrepreneur function includes the management. Production management, what is the production, what is going on, how much production, and what is the stoppage for the production, what is the limit for the production, and everything regarding production he should manage, entrepreneur should manage. That is known as production management. Factory control, the total factory should be under the control of the entrepreneur. So all that functions are known as management and control functions. In the same way, technological functions, techniques, using machinery, related to machinery, acquiring machinery, purchasing machinery, and various equipment for production. The technological functions are related to the acquiring machines and equipments, industrial engineering system, product and process improvement, introduction of new production, and in the advertisement techniques, marketing strategies, and technological functions are the functions of the entrepreneur. And he should have the quality and function of technological control and introduction of new products, techniques, and products to the society. And he should also have the social responsibility. Due to COVID, many industrialists sponsored many crores of rupees for the welfare of the society. And now let us know various types of entrepreneurs. The types of entrepreneurs are divided as innovative, imitative, Fabian, drone entrepreneurs. So innovative entrepreneurs are the introducers of new products, new methods of production, discovers new markets, and recognizes the enterprises. They are aggressive in nature. They are tremendous development with the help of this type of innovative entrepreneurs. Their development looks for people and improvement. So these type of innovative entrepreneurs are must for rapid industrialization. The entrepreneurs, those who imitate other entrepreneurs, are known as imitative. They imitate others, adapt techniques and technologies innovated by others. In underdeveloped countries, we find this type of innovators or entrepreneurs. They are called as the imitative entrepreneurs. Fabian entrepreneurs, very great caution. They are very great cautions with skepticism. They follow in experimenting change. They follow delay. They are not aware. They follow footsteps of others, those who succeeded in the successes. No risk takers. These type of entrepreneurs are known as Fabian entrepreneurs. Drone entrepreneurs, they're the lazy persons to adapt new methods, more rigid. These drone entrepreneurs are more rigid in nature. They suffers from loss but not ready to change existed production methods. They are ready to close down business. They don't accept for change. These type of entrepreneurs are needed as drone entrepreneurs. So we need innovative entrepreneurs only. And in underdeveloped countries, we find imitative entrepreneurs. And in Fabian entrepreneurs are also found in the world, and drone entrepreneurs are very rare, and they should not success.